It's froze again. Right?
Nope. Yep, I think so.
Yeah, okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Hi, Ram.
Hello, hello.
Make it. So I was just talking about Kafka cluster. Who will tell me what is the Kafka cluster? Hello? Guys, can you hear me now? I still
Yeah, we can hear you.
tell me what is the Kafka cluster?
It is a
Kafka
Working
cluster.
in multiple.
collection of machines.
Exactly. This is group of multiple machine. That's correct. Multiple machine. Machine is also known as node. That's correct. Okay. So do you know topic? Yeah, topic is a data structure in Kafka where producer produce the message. And same thing is true for consumer. Consumer read message from where? From the topic. The topic must have unique name. Yes, you know? Yep.
Yes.
On one in one Kafka cluster, how many topic we can have?
As
Multiple
many as
topic.
you want.
Multiple.
Yeah. So topic is basically used to store data inside the Kafka. And what is the partition? You know it, right? Basically partition is a basically logical, lo- partition is the logical part of it, right? Why we do partition? Partition is the technique through which we can store data associated with particular topic on different machine. Yes, you know?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
And in one machine, how many partition we can do? You can have multiple partition, right? So that's okay. So in this example, machine one has partition one, machine two has partition two, machine three has partition three, right? So normally when you create a topic, right? So you make one partition or multiple partition, because benefit is if you create a multiple partition associated with one topic, your data may be scattered across the multiple machine. Then you can perform parallel processing. Yes, you can do parallel processing, right? One consumer may be doing partition, reading data from one partition, right? Second may be reading data from another partition.
Other partition.
Hello. You need to understand one important thing. What is the relationship between partition and consumer? A a particular consumer, Sarita, consumer is associated with my topic. That's correct. If you associate consumer with the particular topic, automatically it will be assigned by Kafka to particular partition. Now your question is, in command, consumer when consumer is going to run, right? It will be you'll associate consumer with the topic. Automatically it will be aligned with the partition. So tell me, this question goes to whom? Chu. What is the relationship between partition and consumer? One consumer will be associated with one partition and multiple partition. Any guess?
Yes,
Multiple
a
partition.
multiple partition.
One consumer may be associated with multiple partition. Remember it. Who will make the decision? Kafka cluster will make this decision. Sarita, do you understand? Consumer A
Yes, sir.
is just reading message from only one partition, or it can read data from multiple partition also. Multiple partition. That's correct? That's correct. Okay.
But
So one
if
can
for a given time it access data from only one partition, and when like customer switches, then it goes to another
yeah.
partition, right?
It can whenever data will come, right? Suppose data come in partition one and partition two, so it can read parallel, right?
Okay.
Partition 1, and the same time it is reading from partition 2 also. Like, this is all about decision of Kafka.
Kafka.
Clear?
Okay.
So one consumer, right? One consumer may be associated with more than one partition. That's correct. But at least one partition should be there. One more thing, right? One more thing. One partition. This is important. One consumer can have multiple partition. No confusion? No. What about one partition can be assigned to only one consumer or multiple consumer?
Multiple.
I think only
Sarita?
one.
Yeah, one. I guess like one
No,
partition to
no.
one
This
also
is important.
multiple also like.
This important. One partition here. One consumer can have multiple partition. That's correct. But one partition can be also associated with multiple consumer. If I make you confused, please let me know. What is it? This partition 2 can be assigned to only consumer A or consumer C also.
Mhm.
Sarita.
Both.
Like a
One,
many-to-many relationship, right?
it's many to many relationship, but there is only one condition.
Mm-hmm.
Many
What
to
is
many
that?
relationship. That's correct. That's correct. But one condition is there. If you make the group, what I said? Suppose uh, consumer A and consumer. I'll tell you how to make a group. Sarita. Consumer A and consumer B,
Yes,
if
sir.
they belongs to consumer A and consumer B, right? If they belongs to same group, then they cannot be associated with multiple partition. Again, I'm telling you. Sorry, let me correct myself. One partition can be associated with multiple consumer, but under the condition they should not be in the same group.
Okay.
What I say? One partition can be associated with multiple consumer, but they should not be belong to the
Same group.
same group.
They shouldn't. Yeah.
Actually, in one group, right? Suppose let me make the group.
Because they're going to create a duplicate.
Exactly. Chu, you got it. See, I have consumer A, right? Sarita, you should understand the meaning of
Yes,
it.
sir.
If consumer A and consumer B belongs to same group, right? In that situation, right? You both cannot be associated with the same partition. Why? Think about it. If they are in the same group and if they belong with the same partition, right? The problem is they can receive the duplicate message. Sarita, think and tell me. If you don't understand, I can explain you again. Like what I'm saying, both both are in the same group. And group name, who can decide? We can decide.
Okay.
Group name is like Sarita. Sarita M is a group name, right? Both belongs to the same group. Sarita. In this case, one will be assigned to A and C B both are only one. Tell me. Sarita, I'm asking this
Yeah,
question.
yeah.
This
Can you
partition will
can
be
you?
associated. If partition CA, this consumer A, consumer B belongs to same group, Sarita. Group name is
Yes, sir.
Sarita.
Mhm.
So in that situation, both will be associated with same partition, or only one of the member will be associated with one partition.
I think 1v1.
You are right. The
Yeah, because
reason?
it will be because
Yeah,
it will be from the it is from the same group, so that yeah, it won't be
exactly.
from the
If
different.
if partition one will be associated with C and B in the same group, then they can receive the duplicate message. That's reason is. I hope you understand the relationship between partition and consumer are many to many
But why
under
would
the
they?
condition.
Why would they receive duplicate masses?
Man, it is decide like that, okay? Because I will tell you the broadcasting. Sometime you want to deliver the same message to the two different consumer.
Mm-hmm.
Hello,
Yeah.
we have two
The
situation in Kafka. One message will be delivered to only one consumer, right? And one message you can deliver to multiple consumer also.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. So if one message you want to deliver to the multiple consumer, they must not belong in the same group. Clear? Hello. Like here, I have message. Hello, how are you? This message, Sarita, hello, how are you? This message I want to deliver to the two consumer separately. They must be available in different group. Otherwise,
This is the group though.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is the,
This message you want to send to this to the what you can this partition, right? You can assign to consumer A and consumer B both. But in order to assign the same partition to different consumer, they must be in
Same group.
different groups.
Different group.
different group. So one partition can be assigned to the multiple consumer if they are in different group, right? So
Yeah.
if multiple partition are in the same group, then only one party. Sorry, if multiple consumer in the same group, then only one partition can be assigned to them. Is clear? Or you got confused? This concept I'm going to use in all my practical example.
You're like, we understood what you said, but like I cannot like, I couldn't, create the picture of, like what you said, like with the real life,
What's your name? No,
Sanjeev.
no, Sanjeev. Concept you understand? Practical is
Yeah,
different thing.
I
I'll show
understood the
you.
concept. Yeah.
That's nice. I explain only concept, not example. You'll see it, right? Your
Okay.
question is why you want to send same message to the multiple party. That's your question, right? Sometime what happen? You want to make a backup of your original data. So tell me, same data you have to send to the two application or only one application? You have to make the backup also. Hello?
Could you ask the question again?
Like here, sometime what happen? I am a master application and I have my partner, 10 partner I have, and I want to send some important data to everybody. The same data I will send to everybody or only one consumer? Answer to it.
Everybody.
You're gonna send the same data to everyone.
So in that case, what happened? When I'm sending my data to topic, right, partition, so all other consumer will be associated with same topic, right? So that they can get the same message. I'll show you. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll discuss the couple of use case. Please be ready.
Again, here
So
I have a question.
please.
We have a data in a partition, right?
Yeah.
And then each partition can be stored in like if we lost the data or down the one partition, right? We have a copy of data in the replica.
Yeah. Actually, replica means,
Uh-huh.
see,
Copy.
partition one, you have
Right.
one machine, right? Partition one, you may have on machine number 4 also.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you are making multiple copy of it. Why? If machine one goes down, you can recover it from the other machine.
Okay.
You got my point? That's why Kafka is all those things, right? This is called fault tolerance.
Okay.
Make sense?
Makes sense, sir.
So we have to develop this application in 3 parts. Can you help me? First part is we have to design Kafka cluster. Can you help me for that? If you want to design Kafka cluster, what do you have to do? People,
First, we
you
have to set the
can,
Kafka.
yeah, you can go and download the Kafka, and downloading Kafka is not a big deal. I'm going to show you. Please, I want you should learn today, okay? Kafka download. Anybody can do it. It's not a big deal, okay? Mac and all. So you can go and download it. Yep. People go and download any version of it. You can download the tgz file, tar file, and I'm going to I'm going to extract it on my C drive. Confused? No. Here, this is my Kafka, and this is my Kafka folder, installation folder. In bin, you have all the command to run your Zookeeper, to stop your Zookeeper, start your Kafka server, stop your Kafka server, creating topic, everything we have, right? In config, we have configuration, related with the server setting with producer. We'll talk on it, right? So in server.property file, we have setting regarding Kafka server. In Zookeeper.properties file, we have setting regarding Zookeeper. I'm not going to modify anything. I'm going to use default. So in this bin folder, this command, sh command, this is for which platform? Mac. and Windows people can use this command. I'm just going to show you in this session for Windows. I have to run my all the command from here. Ram,
Yes, sir.
just be outside the bin folder and go to the terminal. Can you see this command? Start CMD. Start CMD will open a new DOS prompt, right? So you are saying go to the Windows bin and window folder and go and run this command, this bash command, and pass this configuration file to it. So Ram, do you understand this?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You have to be inside this folder and run this command. It will run your Zookeeper, right? After that, when you run this command, it
We
will
have to
start
put a
your
start to
yeah
or
yeah yeah
what?
start
Start
when you do
CMD.
start yeah.
Uh,
Benefit is when you run this command, automatically it will run in the different terminal. So no need to put a lot of effort for it, right? And down the line, if you want to stop it, you know what you have to do? You just type here stop.
We have
See,
to open new terminal, right, to stop it.
no man,
But
you need
how can
only
I?
one terminal. Automatically, when you run start, it will create a new DOS prompt. So this current DOS prompt will be always free for you. Say yes. Again, you confuse.
I'm confused.
Eh,
Like you
Why
run
you
it and
confused?
like, could you please run it and stop it, like, so that I can
Actually,
see?
you are seeing this first. Let me do it. First of all, what you have started? Who is
Zookeeper.
confused? Zookeeper. Then you started server. You have to stop in reverse order. How? Sanjeev. There is a command, right? Zookeeper server.
No, I
Zookeeper
understand
server
the
start.
command, but once you start it, like, here in the
Let,
terminal, you
let,
done that.
let me stop it. When you stop it, your terminal will be always free. Can you see this? It is stopped. It stopped in different terminal automatically. You got your terminal back, right?
Yeah,
Say
but
yes.
after you start,
I'm going to start it. First of all, let me stop it. Okay.
okay.
What I have stopped? Answer my question. I stopped my Kafka server.
Yeah.
Let me check it. My Zookeeper is running or not? I'm just checking it. Give me a second, sir. I think my Zookeeper, everything is stopped. I'm going to run it. Allow me.
Okay.
How? Sanjeev.
Just the,
Your question may be why I'm running like this. See, right now I'm inside which directory? In Kafka.
no, I have
So
understood that one. But once you go to start and you run it, like, it's you're not gonna
it
go
is
back to
it
the
is
same.
it is immediately running this server this command in new window because you mentioned start new CMD.
Oh, okay.
Let me
Oh, I got
let
it.
me
Okay, I got it.
let me let
Okay.
me do it.
Now I got it. Okay.
I'm starting my Zookeeper. You would say, oh my God, no need to open CMD again and again. That boring job.
Okay.
Done.
Now I got it. Okay.
Okay. Then you can run this command. And guys, I told you don't press Control C and close this. Don't do that. Always you should stop and start your Zookeeper Kafka server through command only, right? Sanjeev, you see, this is
Yeah.
going,
I got it. I
yeah,
got it.
this is going, yeah. If you stop it by pressing Control C, data will be corrupted and your Zookeeper and this Kafka server will not work properly, as happened yesterday with me. Okay, done. I'm able to do what, man? Sarita, I'm able to run my Kafka system. Say yes.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
What thing is left? You would say again, you have to make topic.
Mm-hmm.
Topic. Topic you can do in two ways. Either you can do with command, you can do in three ways. Sanjeev, what we have done so far? We have just created Kafka cluster. Sanjeev, reply. Next thing what you have to make?
Topic.
Create topic. And how we can create topic? First approach is using command. Second, using that tool. You see, yesterday I was using some tool. I forget the name.
Offset.
Yeah, Offset Explorer. You can use this GUI tool using Offset Explorer. Hello. How many way you can make topic?
Two ways. Using command and using offset explorer.
Third, using Java code also.
Okay.
Oh, nice. How we can do that? Using Java code also. We can do in 3 ways, right? So right now, which approach would you like to follow?
Can we see command?
Let's use Java code today. Or you can use Explorer or
Command is already there in the website, like we can see.
yeah,
it.
command is there, but yeah,
It's already
command you can do with command man. It is up to you, right? It is all about getting topic. That's fine. Yeah. So you tell me which use case we are going to implement. How many partition you want to make? 3 partition, 1 consumer. Yeah, 3 partition, 2 consumer. Or 3 partition, 1 consumer. 3 consumer. Which use case you want to make for this? Yeah, 1 to 1. Tell me. Let's do 1 to 1 today, okay? After that, we will do the tweaking. What do you say? Allow me. Hello.
Okay.
I'm going to implement. You tell me in 1 to 1, right? Do group name is required, Sarita? If I'm creating a topic, in my topic we have only one partition, and for one partition there is one consumer, right? So
No.
group name is required? No.
No.
Group name is required when you have multiple
Yeah, multiple consumer.
consumer. So what you can do in this example, I'm going to make a 3 partition and 2 consumer. It's okay. Let's do that. I'm not going to make very simple. People, which use case I'm going to implement? Yes, 3 partition. Sarita, I will start with 1 consumer, right? 3 partition, 1 consumer, and on the fly, I will introduce one more consumer.
Mhm.
Got it? Yeah. Let's do in 2 part. Okay. Sir, now you have to come to the Kafka configuration with Spring Boot. You have to say yes or no only when you understand. If you don't understand, you have to say no, no, no. I don't understand, right? That's fine with me. To make a Kafka, to use Kafka with Spring Boot, it is cup of tea. Why? Let me show you. I have already project with me, but I'll make it very simple for you. Okay. So in this, first of all, you have to talk about if I want to use Spring Boot with the Kafka. Can you see this dependency, Ram? This jar. This jar is responsible for what purpose?
Kafka Producer.
This is
Kafka,
yeah. This is for Spring Boot and
Kafka. Yeah.
Kafka integration. Nice. So integration. Confused? No at all. No at all. Here you have to see the certain thing. Yesterday you have seen we have to make a Kafka producer and Kafka consumer. So let's start with one party first. So we'll focus on producer or consumer. Let's focus on producer first. Allow me. If you want to make producer, right? Hello. Then what we have to do? We need a Kafka template to produce the message. Hey, what is my end goal? If you want to produce the message, which bean we need? Ram. If you want to produce the message, which bean we need? Kafka template. So when you want to produce the message, you need a Kafka template bean plus topic name. Actually, you need 3 things: topic name, message. Confused? No. To produce any message, what do you need, man, in Java? Kafka template bean, message, which you want to send. Third, on which you should know partition. No, it's not your part. Sarita, which partition will be assigned to which consumer? It is the responsibility of
Kafka.
Kafka. Yes, you should know the topic name. Kafka template, which is connected with the cluster, message which you want to send, topic name. That's it. So first thing I'm going to tell you, if you want to create a topic with the help of Kafka, what you have to do. For this, we have this topic config. Can you see this? Hello. What do you need to do? You have to make a bean of new topic. That's it. Hello. So here you have two kind of topic, user topic and general topic, right? So if you want to make the topic using Spring, right? So what you need to do? Tell me. Simple. You have to make a bean of new topic, and new topic is coming from the Kafka. Sarita. Done.
Yes,
So here
sir.
I'm giving the topic name, partition and replica. Partition means how many partition you want to make it, right? So that you can store data on multiple machines. Replica means how many backup you want of the particular topic, particular partition. Confused? And this is the address of Kafka server. And this is the topic name which you want to create, right? So we have, we have two topic name and user topic. Topic name is for string data and user topic name is for what? For some Java object. So I'm interested only right now in this. Hey, you got confused? Your question is from where this message this is coming. This is the IP address. Hello. And for this IP address in this program, I don't need it. Why? Because I have commented it. I only need what? Saita? Topic name. And
Yeah,
topic
topic
name,
name.
can we hard code over here? Answer is yes, yes, right?
Yes,
But
yes.
you can write anything. But in order to make it configurable, it is coming from the property file. Yep. Why? If you have in property file, anybody can change it, right? No need to search here and there. So we are going to work on which topic? Help me. I'm interested in this topic only, general topic. Topic name is general topic name. In this example, what name is? Saita.
Yeah, Spring Techno topic.
String take topic.
Tech
That's fine.
topic.
And what is the group ID? Group ID I'm giving it. So this will be useful when you want to create a multiple consumer belongs to this group, right?
Okay.
And my Kafka server is running on which port number? 9092. Please mark
9092.
it. And my application, this web application will run on this port number. That's fine.
9000.
So topic is clear to you. When this file will execute, it will create a topic with which name? String techno topic and user tech topic. Two topic I am creating. Is clear? So my dear friends, do you understand how topic is created by Java program? Yes. So
Yes,
don't
sir.
be in the in confusion. Topic is always created by the command or the front end tool. No, you can create by Java code also. I'm telling you. Your question may be which one is better? I would say creating by Java code. Hello everybody. When you work in the industry believes in the automation. Automation means automatically things should be created. There should be no user intervention. Again, I'm telling you, which one is the right approach of creating it? Using tool or using command or using Java code? Java code.
Java code.
Now I'm talking about consumer configuration, producer configuration. This thing little bit you have to remember. So I would say you don't focus about this part. Forget about it. You just because I'm not interested in user object, right? This much you have to understand. Sajda, you have to make a Kafka template. I told
Yes,
you.
sir.
Remember? Yeah. So if you want to send the message, how many things you need? Three things I told you. Kafka bean template, message and topic name. Topic name is done. This part is done. Yeah, right? Message will come on the fly, right? That's fine. And Kafka template, how we are creating? Any guess? First of all, you have to create a producer factory. This bean, Sarita. In this bean, what we are doing? We are creating a producer factory for string data. So this topic is for use for string data or object data? No, only for string data. It may be text message, it may be JSON message. Sarita.
Sir.
So
Yes, sir.
my Kafka template will produce JSON message, string message. That's fine. So this is the this producer is saying Kafka template is saying when I produce the data, my data will go to on where you are giving the IP of your Kafka. Shall I show you? Yeah. Bootstrapping address. Can you see this, Sarita? This is the
localhost.
IP and this is the IP and port number of my Kafka server, Kafka cluster. Make sense? Makes sense. Can you see this? Yeah. You are saying, hey Kafka server, I want to produce message on you, and my key and value. My key and value will be both string. And then with the help of producer factory, you are creating a Kafka template. Hello. So Kafka template is done. You need this Kafka template, a message and topic name to produce it. So Saita, you got this much? Done. After it, I'm coming to the message producer. Can you see this? You're not replying. Ram. Again.
Yes, sir.
I'm audible, right? This is my message producer as a Spring Bean. So here I am auto wiring my Kafka template. Saita, I just said, right? You
Yes,
need
sir.
to, I said you need to make a Kafka template. Yeah, this Kafka template I am auto wiring here and topic name. I got it. So tell me, like here I'm just writing a scheduler. You can use for loop also, my dear friends. So what this scheduler is doing, every 3 seconds it is going to execute. Ram, what is the
Yes, sir.
benefit of this code? This code is going to execute every 3 seconds. And here, Sarita, you see this. What I'm writing here? Kafka
Yes, sir.
template, topic on which I want to publish my
Topic.
message, and message. The message, everything is changing. Can you see this? Techno hunk. We are increasing the count. Techno hunk 1, 2 with new date. I'm sending on it. That's it. Hey, why I'm using this special code? Any guess? To send message every 3 seconds. You
Every
can can
3 minutes.
every
3 seconds.
3 seconds. Can we write some normal for loop? Yes, you can do it. Somebody is saying I hate this code. Why? He's saying I want to use my loop. Sarita, can you do that? Yeah, we can do it, right? Hello?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, we can do that like this. Fine. But I'm using this scheduler service. So this is the best way because it is going to, send by the thread. Clear? If you want, you can write a normal loop. Hey, my producer is ready? Producer? People. So how many producer we have? Sarita, as per the design, we need only one producer, right? When you run your code, automatically producer will send the message, and this message will go to which topic? General topic name.
General topic.
And that name is Spring Tech
Spring
topic.
Tech topic.
After it, let's see the consumer. Can I show you consumer? Hello. You need consumer also. For consumer, similarly, we have to make a consumer factory. Saita, simple. Same way as you do for producer, consumer factory. In that, what you mentioned? Hey, consumer, you read from this bootstrap IP. You know bootstrap IP we talked about. This is the Kafka server address, right? Producer and consumer, they are supposed to read data from what? Same Kafka cluster. Sarita, you see, when we are reading it, we are giving the group ID, right?
Yes, sir.
So all consumer, right, who is related with this consumer factory, they belongs to this group, right? This group makes sense when you have multiple consumer, okay? Otherwise not. After it, using this consumer factory, I am creating this concurrent Kafka listener factory. What is the benefit of it? Sarita, now after creating this, you can use a notation on consumer. Where my consumer is? Where my consumer is? My consumer is here. So if A, this is my consumer. Sarita, consumer is a service,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Like here, my producer is here. In order to avoid the confusion, this code I'm commenting it, right? Why? Message producer already I wrote it, okay? So you should not bother about it. Sarita, if you allow to me, this
Yes, sir.
consumer I can move over here. Why? So that producer consumer you can see in one package. That's fine. So we have to just, hey guys, you forget about the controller. Sarita, forget about the controller. You just remember the service config and this Technohang Kafka. That's it.
Kafka.
Forget about the other thing. I don't want it. Let's see the consumer. Hey, consumer is simple. Saita, for consumer, what we are doing? Nothing. Like, this consumer is not of my interest. Okay, I'm not interested in user one, right? I'm interested in, tell me, string message one. Saita, I'm saying I want to read my data from which topic? General topic.
General.
And with this group. That's it. So this consumer will belongs to which group?
General.
This
General
group.
topic.
So right now, this whatever message will be produced, this consumer will consume. So A, my message is going to publish on how many partition? See in the topic config. Saita, only in one partition. If you want, you can make a multiple partition, right? So right now, one partition, one replica, and one consumer. Can I run my program? Yeah. How? To run this program, you have to just run it automatically. A topic will be created, but you have to ensure your your Zookeeper and Kafka server must be up and running. Run it. Please reply. When you run it,
It's running.
you may be you will see, you see sending message, right? It is going to be produced, and parallel. Can you see this? Saita, 01. Producer is producing and receiver is receiving it. Done. Yesterday I was running two projects, but to make it simple, my producer and consumer are in the same project. But in real life, Saita, this question goes to you. In real life, this consumer and producer will be in different project.
In different project, yeah.
Fine. So how many consumer we have right now?
One.
Only one consumer. I can show you multiple consumer. Clear? How? So guys, I'm going to make Saita two partition. Hello. Your question may be, if you have one partition, two consumer, what happen in that case? Any guess? Only one partition will be assigned to one consumer. Consumer second will be idle. So which use case I'm going to talk about? Saita. Three partition, two consumer. Allow me. What I have to do?
Okay.
Here, you have to, in the partition, you have to make three. Say yes. Hello. And
Yes,
in
sir, yes.
consumer, like here you have only one instance of it, right? So what you can do, if you want to make another consumer, Saita, you just copy paste.
Oh.
This is consumer one and this is consumer two. Same topic. They are listening. They are going to read same topic and same group. So this and this, but message we can change. Okay. Message received from consumer one. Please let me know if you confuse. I hear what you will do. Sarita, how many consumers you have?
Yeah, two consumers.
Consumer
So
one,
two,
consumer two.
and consumer two.
Now we have three partition, two consumer. So two partition will be assigned to one consumer and one partition will be assigned to the second consumer. You don't know, right? It may be possible two partition assigned to the B and one is A. You don't know, right? But since we have three partition and two consumer, two partition will be assigned to one consumer and one partition to the consumer B. Got my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Say yes. Now
Yes, sir,
what I'm
yes.
going to do, wrap 3 tech, right? My partition name is, I forget it. Who will help me? Other people. I'm going to wrap up it quickly, okay? Not a problem. So refresh it. This topic, I'm going to delete it, right? Why? Why? Because I want there should be new topic with how many partition? 3 partition. You are not replying. Yes, replying. Oh, Mike, what happened? Just a second. Something is wrong. Hello. So it is running my server and running, right? So Sarita, do you understand this concept? To a consumer
Yes, sir.
listening to the same topic and belongs to the same group ID. All this
Yes.
configuration in the property file. Bas. So producer is only one, which is producing message every 3 seconds. Let's see, right? So sometime message should be consumed by one, consumer two, but not same message, right? Different because they belongs to same group.
Different.
Yeah, I'm going to run it. And what about this tool? Let's refresh it.
Offset explore भी front end के लिए चाहिए ना.
Yeah, you can basically benefit is you can visualize it, man. That's benefited, right?
So which one we have to download? Offset?
Yeah, Offset Explorer. I can show you how to download and do it. So right now we don't have topics, Saita. We don't have topic. Which topic?
Yes, sir.
Wait. String tech topic. It is not there because I deleted it, and now I'm going to run it. So when you run it, automatically it will create everything from the Java, the Spring Boot project. I'm going to do it. Tomorrow we'll see the more use case of it. Let's see if everything works fine. String sending message. Yeah, you can see it. Sarita, consumer one is reading.
Yes,
That's
sir.
okay. And I can tell you here, one partition is assigned to one and two is assigned to. But all the messages
reading as well.
But consumer, yeah, I got it. Can you see this? Sarita, 1111 and 2 is reading this.
Yes, sir.
Done. 2 is reading this. I hope conceptually it is clear to everybody. Now you got the idea. We'll do more practical tomorrow, okay?
Okay, sir.
So guys, I think for this session it is more than enough. So today we talked about different concept of this Apache Kafka, and in last I have shown you the example where we have 3 partition with 2 consumer. Clear? But we'll see the more permutation combination of it in next session. So thank you so much for your time.